G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Friday, the 30th of January. And as we've been talking about all week, heat will continue to impact parts of New South Wales, South Australia and southwest Queensland on Friday, while it will stay cooler in Tasmania, southern Victoria and also over in southern parts of WA. While across our tropical north, even though it's cooler across coastal parts of Queensland, we will see some showers for the southeastern and central coast and widespread rain and storms continuing across much of northern Australia, as that tropical low brings heavy rain and storms there. But let's have a look at all of this in more detail. Firstly, in Queensland, we've got a big upper low out over the Coral Sea, and that's bringing in some showers and gusty winds to southeast Queensland and central Queensland, particularly for our coastal areas, so it will be cooler and windier for those locations. Only 30 degrees and partly cloudy in Brisbane. Further north, we're going to see widespread rain and thunderstorms across northern Queensland, and that heat will be building out across much of western Queensland. 47 degrees in Birdsville on Friday, so very hot temperatures out there with many inland locations above 40 degrees. Moving down into New South Wales, again, that onshore flow keeping things a little bit cooler than our inland areas for much of eastern New South Wales. But just look how hot it is again through inland western New South Wales, with temperatures in the mid to high 40s once again, with sea breezes cooling the coast. Warm, sunny, partly cloudy, 30 degrees in Sydney. Another very hot one in Canberra, 40 degrees there, and mid 40s further west. And you'll notice it is staying dry statewide on Friday. Moving down into Victoria, once again continuing that similar story where southerly winds are protecting southern parts of Victoria with temperatures in the mid to high 20s, while north of the ranges we're seeing temperatures into the low to mid 40s. Look at Mildura, 46 degrees there on Friday and low 40s across much of the Murray River and inland northern areas. Could see a few showers and thunderstorms on the eastern ranges during the afternoon and evening, so watch out for those, and maybe just a few light showers there about the southwest coast. A warm one in Melbourne, 29 degrees and partly cloudy. Now moving down into Tasmania, we're going to see a warm day across much of Tasmania. Temperatures in the mid to high 20s for most of the state. A little bit cooler in the north, although warm in Launceston, 29 degrees. 23 degrees and cooler in Hobart with those partly cloudy skies, and staying generally dry right across the state. Moving into South Australia, where we're going to see another day of very hot temperatures right across the state, particularly away from our coastal areas. So we're seeing temperatures get up into the low 40s through southern parts of South Australia, and look at that, high 40s through much of northern and inland South Australia, including 49 degrees at Port Augusta and 49 degrees at Murray. So another very hot day on the way for inland South Australia, and heat moving into southern areas, 41 degrees and partly cloudy conditions in Adelaide. Moving over into WA, and the ex-tropical low has now cleared out through eastern WA. We're still cooler conditions there with onshore flow. We're starting to heat up though through southwestern WA as we move into Friday. Temperatures in the mid to high 30s there, reaching 33 degrees at Perth with lots of sunshine. While further north, it is cooler due to some cooler winds and showers and thunderstorms. Now moving up into far northern Australia, that tropical low is going to continue to bring rain and storms right across parts of the NT and parts of Cape York and the Gulf of Carpentaria as well. We're also going to see that spread over into eastern parts of WA as well. Temperatures in the low 40s through southern areas, low to mid 30s across northern areas with those showers and storms. Darwin, showers and thunderstorms and 32 degrees. So with all that heat and storm activity around the country, remember to get the latest forecast for your area via our website and app, and we'll see you again here tomorrow.